How to fix trunk lid handle on BMW 3 Series F30, 2011 to 2019, in just 8 easy steps. It can be seen that the trunk does not open manually, but using the car key it opens. Required tools: Phillips screwdriver and T25-bit Torx. 1. Open the trunk and remove the triangle and its supports using a Torx T25. 2. Unscrew the clips that hold the trim to the trunk lid with a Phillips screwdriver. 3. Remove the 2 plastic parts from the trunk hinges. 4. Remove the trim from the trunk lid. 5. Insert your hand behind the handle to push it outwards. 'You can find a trunk lid handle for BMW 3 Series F30, F31, F31 below in the video description. Six. Disconnect the plug from the microswitch. You can remove the microswitch from the handle if you think that's easier. This is what the handle plug looks like. Simply pull it outwards to come out. This is what the old handle for the BMW 3 Series F30 looks like, and you can a new one below in the video description. The rubber part that presses the microswitch is broken. You can find the handle with the hole already made for the rear view camera or without it. Seven. Connect the plug to the handle and then fix it on the trunk lid. Do a test to see if the handle is functional. 8. Then install all the other elements of the trunk: trunk padding, supports and triangle, plastic covers on the hinges. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or you can send me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.